Hello everyone, welcome to Dentospedia, one of the best platform for global dental board exam to simplify dentistry for the students. Today I am going to give you a short lecture from endodontic module, that is the sterilization. So let us begin with this short lecture. So let us see the introduction of the sterilization. The endodontic treatment, it requires asepsis, that is a good infection control, pain control, proper isolation, and sterilize instrument for predictable success. Endodontic success begins before the access opening. It begins with the strict infection control and complete isolation. That means before you start with any endodontic treatment or any root canal treatment, the endodontic success first begin from the strict infection control and then complete isolation. So coming to sterilization, now the sterilization is renders to an object free for all the viable microorganisms and including the spores. Defined standard, it is not more than one living microorganisms in 1 million sterilized unit. It is very important to remember this defined standard. The method includes hot air gas, irradiation, and the steam. While the steam autoclaving is the most practical and the reliable sterilization method for endodontics. So these sterilization methods are first steam pressure sterilization, which is also known as autoclave, the most effective for endodontic use. Chemical vapors, using the chemical vapors, which is also known as chemiclave and is good for corrosion and the sensitive instruments. Dry heat sterilization, which is also known as dry clave, it is older in method, less used now. While ethylene oxide gas, which is ideal for heat sensitive items like aerator. So coming to steam sterilization, which is also known as autoclave, very important from any exam point of view. It is the most effective method. Why? Because it is rapid, it is non-toxic and highly lethal to microbes as well as their spores. And the typical conditions required are 121 degree temperature, 15 to 20 lbs pressure, with just 20 to 30 minutes. It can vary by materials. It is suitable for majority of endodontic instruments. So it is very important to remember each and every condition, the temperature, the pressure and the time for steam sterilization. So we'll see for different material, the different condition that is temperature, pressure and the time. For instruments, it is 121 degree for 20 pressure, 30 minutes. For the rubber items, it is again 121 degrees Celsius for 20 lb, 20 minutes. While for the liquids, it says 110 degrees Celsius for 20 lb, 30 minutes, which is the most effective and preferred method. So this is about autoclaving. So thank you everyone. Thank you for your cooperation and listening. This is the short lecture of the sterilization topic. I hope you like the video. So to listen the proper lecture with full MCQs, diagrams, flowchart and everything included, please download the Dentospedia app today. Thank you.